Right, this is a short video showing you how to convert from kilometers per hour to meters per second. And this process will work for any conversion. That just happens to be this problem. Now what we're going to do is called dimensional analysis. That's a really fancy word. It's nowhere near as hard as what that sounds like. So here's what you do. Take what you're given, in this case 20 kilometers per hour, and write it like this. There's nothing magical about writing like this, but I just like the visual of this. I think you'll see why here in a minute. Now, remembering from what we learned in basic algebra, if I multiply anything by 1, then it remains the same value, and it really doesn't matter how I multiply it. For instance, I could multiply this by 3 times 3 over 9, and that's not going to change the value of anything I'm looking at here, right? Because 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 over 9 is 1. Now I don't want to do that, of course, so I'm going to erase that. What I want to do is I want to get out of kilometers and into meters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose something that's equivalent to each other and put it on top and bottom so that it equals 1. Then that doesn't change the value of this, but it will allow me to cancel kilometers. Like this. So I've got 20 kilometers on top. I know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Okay? So this is equal to 1. So I haven't changed the value of anything, but I do get to cancel my kilometers. And now my units are in meters per hour. But I want meters per second. So I need to get out of hours and into seconds. And hours is on bottom here, so if I want it to cancel, I'm going to have it on top here. So 1 hour, and I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So that allows me to cancel hours. Meters per minute is still not what I want though. So minutes is on bottom, so I want it on top. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And that lets me cancel out the minutes. From here, it's simple math, just like you would multiply fractions. You're going to multiply all the way across the top, and that's going to give you 20 plus 3 zeros, and that unit is meters. And then all the way across the bottom, 1 times 60, which is going to be 3,600 seconds. Now my units are in meters per second, so all I have to do is divide 20,000 by 3,600. And when I do that, I'm going to find out that it's 5.5 meters per second. So 20 kilometers per hour is equal to approximately 5.5 meters per second. And now we can use this in our momentum problems.